Take two. Brass, nickel, silver, copper. So finish on brass. Brass on top, brass on bottom. Just need to flatten these out now. Welcome to Blue Peter. Today we're going to use some sticky back plastic. Clean them all off with surgical spirit, and then obviously wearing gloves. Make sure the oils on my hands don't tarnish it. Tig, you're it. Put a lot of flux in here, mix it with water, make it into like a flux paste. Put too much water in like an idiot. Glue, glue. Would help if you turn gas on. Would help if I use right lever. Just put it in there while it gets up to temperature, so it slowly gets up to temperature. Don't know why I said that twice. At this point, I have no idea what I'm doing. Your guess is as good as mine. Too early, but that's starting to look a bit something. Halfway. I'm now going to forge it flat. There's a few D-lambs, but I'm hoping maybe When I forge it flat they might go, if not I'll just sand them off after, no biggie. Yeah, so I'm going to forge it flat now and then sand it up on a finer grit so you can see it colours better. Schmepoosh! Abra cadabra! That time again. I'll spare you the boring details. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video where I revisited Mokume Gane, or however you say it. Pretty successful one this time, a lot better than it did last time. I think the preparation that I used on this one, cleaning everything, scotch brighting it, made it so much more easier. If you like this video, please give it a share on your social media pages. Also give it a thumbs up, that helps me out a lot. Check out my Facebook page, my Instagram page, and also my Patreon if you want to support and help keep me making more of these videos. All the links are in the description, and while you're here, check out some of these other videos and subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you. All done. Nice little blend. Fucking, it turned out so much. Fuck. Thanks for watching. Also, I've got fuck off, I keep saying also. They're gonna help. That's not gonna help, fuck all. Thanks for watching.